In this walkthrough video, I will be demonstrating the functionality of my employee tracker application, which is the assignment for the SQL challenge. So as you can see here, I'm in the root directory of my project. I'm going to go ahead and type in npm start in the command line in order to invoke my application. I'm going to go ahead and press enter here, and you can see that we're prompted the main menu for this content management system. So I'm going to go ahead and show you each of the abilities within this main menu here. I'm going to go ahead and select view all departments, and as you can see, the departments by their ID and name are displayed. Similarly, I'm going to show view all roles, select enter. As you can see here, all the roles are displayed with their corresponding ID, title, salary, and department ID. Lastly, for all the viewing functions, I'm going to say view all employees. And as you can see here, the employees with their IDs, first names, last names, roles, salaries, managers, and departments are displayed as well. So I'm going to go ahead and show the other functionalities. I'm going to hypothetically add a new department. So we're going to go ahead and give this new ID for an ID for this new department. This is going to be 5 since we only currently have 4 departments. I'm going to add a marketing department. So I'm going to say marketing for this new department and press enter. As you can see, we get a message saying marketing has been added as a new department. We're going to quickly confirm, say view all departments. And as you can see here, marketing has been added with an ID of number 5. Next, we're going to hypothetically add a position that we're currently applying for. So I'm going to say add a role. To give an ID for this role, which is going to be 10. We're going to say the title of this role is going to be a finance intern. Say that. We're going to create a salary for this role, which could be any integer. And we're going to give the corresponding department ID for this role, which is going to be 2 for finance intern, or with the finance department. Say enter. As you can also see, again, we have the finance intern has been added as a new role message. We're going to quickly confirm again. Say view all roles. And as you can see here, the position we're applying for currently, the finance intern has been added. Next, we're going to show you a hypothetical for adding a newly hired employee. So we're going to say add an employee. We're going to give an ID. Same, I'm going to give 10. We're going to give a first and last name for this employee. I'm just going to say John Doe. And it's going to ask us for this new employee's role or title. We're going to say that they were hired as an engineering intern. And it's going to ask us for their corresponding manager ID, which is going to be 1 for the manager or engineering manager. We're going to say enter. We get a message saying John Doe has been added as a new employee. Let's go ahead and confirm again. Say view all employees. And as you can see here, John Doe is appearing on the last line item with the corresponding information that we inputted. Lastly, I'm going to show you how to show you an employee's promotion status. So I'm going to go ahead and select update employee role. And we're going to go ahead and promote George Allen from an engineering intern to a software engineer since we just hired John Doe. So I'm going to say George Allen. It's going to ask us for a new role for this employee. I'm going to say software engineer. And as you can also see, we also do get another success message. Let's go ahead and confirm again. And as you can see here, George Allen's role has been updated to a software engineer. So that concludes my video walkthrough for my employee tracker application. Hope you enjoyed, and happy coding.